talking from Dr. Jagdish Baheti, Principal, Kamala Nehru College of Pharmacy. This is a small message on green audit conducted at our college. Uh, Colleges have broad impacts on the world around them, both negative and positive. The activities pursued by the college can create a variety of adverse environmental impacts. But colleges are also in a unique position as educational institutions to be leader in pursuing environmentally sustainable solutions. Friends, green audit is linked to the sustainable development process. Though green audit one gets a direction as how to improve the conditions of the environment, and there are various factors that have determined the progress of green audit process. The green audit practically involves energy conservation, use of renewable resources, and rainwater harvesting, and to some extent efforts of carbon neutrality, planting of trees, hazardous waste management, and e-waste management. Finally, the green audit is requirement of NAC assessment to the colleges and university also. It is necessary to conduct the green audit in college campus because students have to be aware of green audit, its advantage to save the planet and thereby get motivated to become good citizens of the country. Green audit and sustainable development process helps to reduce the wastage associated cost as well as increase the product quality. As the environmental sustainability is becoming an increasingly important issue of the nation, the rate of higher educational institution in relation to the environmental sustainability is more relevant. Green audit can be used, it can be a useful tool for colleges to determine how and where they are using the most energy, water and other resources. The colleges can then consider how to implement changes and make the savings. It can also be used to determine the type and volume of waste which can be used for the recycling project or to improve the waste minimization plan. Green auditing can also create health consciousness, promote environmental awareness, and promote values and ethics in the students. It provides staff and student better understanding of the impact of green methods on the campus. It gives an opportunity for development of ownership, personal and social responsibility for students and teachers. All across the world, colleges and universities are looking to the sustainable future by working to become carbon neutral. Universities are taking responsibility for their environmental impact and are working to neutralize those effects. To become carbon neutral, universities are working to reduce their emission of greenhouse gases, to reduce their uses of energy, use more renewable energy, and emphasize the importance of sustainable energy sources. Finally, I put my words of thanks to the entire Green Audit team comprising Mr. Swapnil Thanekar, uh, Bhakti Thanekar Madam and Mr. Ashish Soni, along with my team of college NSS unit for taking sincere efforts and hard work for this green audit, a successful green audit. We are certain that the report will help the society, staff, student and all the concerned in the college campus, and it will definitely motivate far sustainable and green practices throughout. Thank you very much.